Hello, students. Today we are going to understand the topic editing and omission of our grammar portion. Okay, editing. Editing means if something is written wrong, that you have to correct it. You have to write the correct word of that. If the verb is wrong, if the word is wrong, anything is wrong, that means you have to do the correction. And omission means if anything is missing in that sentence, if you find while reading the sentence that something is missing, so you have to put that word, whichever is missing in that sentence. Okay, so we will study about the editing and omission. Means editing means अगर आपको ऐसा कोई लगता है कि ये word यहाँ पर गलत use हुआ है, so you have to use that, you have to write the correct form of that word. And omission means if you think that if something is missing, कुछ चीज missing है इस part में, तो आपको वो चीज लिखनी है. Let's start. Now see the rules of how to edit and how to find the omission in the given passage or paragraph. First, you will have to go through the passage carefully, means read the passage carefully, and after reading the passage, identify the tense and see whether it is appropriate to the context. Means आप जब sentence पढ़ोगे, पूरा passage पढ़ोगे, तो उसमें जो tense यूज किया है अगर वो सही नहीं है, मीन्स अगर वो उसमें कहीं प्रेजेंट यूज है, पास्ट है, तो आपको उसको देखना पड़ेगा, चेक करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो रीड द पैसेज केयरफुली एंड आफ्टर रीडिंग द पैसेज identify the tense and see whether it is appropriate to the context. Check the subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement means अगर singular verb है, singular subject है, तो verb should be in the singular form. So that subject verb agreement you have to see whether that verb is suitable with that subject or not. Now check the areas where word is missing in case of omission. Omission वाला जब अगर कोई पार्ट आएगा तो उसमें आपको ये देखना है कि आप कौन से पार्ट में कौन सा वर्ड आपको मिसिंग लग रहा है और उस मिसिंग वर्ड को आपको लिखना है. एंड check the errors for error correction. In editing, you have to find the error, means if something is wrong, that you have to find and you have to write it in under the incorrect, and under the correct one you have to write the correct word. Mention the answer against the given blank number. Okay, the blanks will be given. In those blanks you have to write the correct answer. In case of omission, write the word before and the word after the omitted word along with the supplied word. Means omission वाले में आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये पैराग्राफ में इस लाइन में ये वर्ड मिसिंग है, तो उसके पहले जो वर्ड आया है वो और उसके बाद में जो वर्ड आएगा वो भी लिखना है, और बीच में जो मिसिंग वर्ड है, that means in one line you have to write the 3 words and each and every word has a mark. In case of error correction, write the incorrect as well as the corrected word in 2 columns. So while editing and that is while finding the error, what you have to do, you have to find the incorrect word and you have to write that incorrect word under the heading incorrect, and what you think in place of that should come, that should be written in the correct form of the verb. Means अगर आप कोई error find कर रहे हैं तो उसमें जो गलत वर्ड है उसको आपको इनकरेक्ट वर्ड के नीचे लिखना है और करेक्ट वर्ड के नीचे आपको अपना सही आंसर लिखना है. So remember the rules. PPAX rule. PPAX rule means whatever things which you have to see in that passage. P for preposition. Preposition you all know. Above, below, behind, beside, these things. P for pronoun, that the correct usage of pronoun. Article or determiners. Article or determiners. Article you know. A and the, and determiners this, that, these, those. These you have to see. Conjunction, and, but, as, so, such as, these things. Tense you should remember it, that correct form of the verb you have to find use, that whether it is singular or plural. And you have to check the spelling also. Sometimes the spellings are also wrong in that passage, that you have to do the correction. So you have to follow the PPAX rule, that is you have to remember while correcting the passage. Preposition you have to check for preposition, pronoun, articles, conjunction, tenses, spellings. All these things you have to check in the given passage. Now see, while using tenses, if is, am, are is there, was and were is there, will be, shall be is there. So if these things are used, and if the sentence is in active voice, then you will use the first form of the verb plus ing. Okay, if the sentence is in active voice, then you will use the first form of the verb plus ing form of the verb. But if the sentence is in passive voice, then you will not use the first form of the verb. In place of first form of the verb, you will use the third form of the verb. Now see the example. The letter was writing by me. See, as by is used here, that means this sentence is in a passive voice. Okay, but writing, this is a verb. Writing, ing, verb plus ing. Ing is used here. So if we are using ing here, that means this should be the active voice. But as it is a passive voice, so in place of writing, third form of the verb we have to use. So the third form of write is written. So it should be the letter was written by me. So in this way, you have to check the form of tenses. The tenses, the correct form of the tense. Now see the articles. Articles you all know, a and the. There are 26 alphabets, out of which 5 are vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So with vowels, we will use and the rest of the 21 are consonants. So consonants use A, and if anything is a special which we have to mention it or give the stress, then we will use the. Okay, and remember one thing, whether the word is starting with a vowel but it is pronouncing like a consonant, at that time you will use a. Similarly, if it is starting with a consonant but it is pronouncing like a vowel, then you will use and. Like one example you all know, HOUR, R. Okay, HOUR, but as it is starting with H. H is a consonant, but pronouncing like a vowel. Vowel yani ki O. So we will write N before it. Okay. So you have to remember how to use the articles. Now some more points to remember, like with to. If to is given there, you will use only the first form of the verb. If models you know, can, could, may, might, like that, if they are given, you will use only the first form of the verb. For example, I cannot lived without you. This is wrong. Lived, Lived is the second form of the verb. So first form of the verb is live. So, and can is a model. So the correct answer is I cannot live without you. Always use the first form of the verb plus ing with while. अगर आपको while दिया है तो उसके साथ में first form of the verb और ing use करना पड़ेगा. Like the phone rang while I was watched TV. This is wrong. Watched is a verb but it is in the second form. So the first form of the verb is watch. And we have to use ing because while is there, so we will use watching. The phone rang while I was watching TV. So this is the correct answer. If anything is started in past tense, it should also end in past tense. Okay, means अगर कोई चीज past tense में आपने start की है तो उसका end भी past tense में ही होना चाहिए, ना कि future या present में कर दीजिए. Like she played the piano when she is a child. Played is the second form and it is on the past form, past tense. And here see is is used in a present tense. So in place of is, it should be was. She played the piano when she was a child. Okay. So remember these points. Now the another point to remember, with did only use first form of the verb. Okay. I didn't went to college. This is wrong. Went is the third form of the verb go. Okay, so first form of the verb went is go. So it should be I didn't go to the college. This is the correct. Now, if everyone, someone, no one, anyone is there, don't use the plural form of the verb. Use only the singular form of the verb. Like everyone have done his homework. This is incorrect. Everyone will take has. So the correct answer is everyone has done his homework. Another point, while using conjunction, if the first part is in first form of the verb, then the second part should also be in the first form. You know that conjunction क्या होता है जब दो sentences को join करता है जो word, that is conjunction and but like that. Okay, अगर उसमें कोई first part of the sentence जो है वो past tense में है तो उसका second part भी past tense में ही होना चाहिए. अगर first part present में है तो उसको second part को भी present में ही होना चाहिए. Example, I played and watched TV. See here, played is a second form. It is of the past tense and watch is present. Okay, so it should be watched. In place of watch, we should use watched. Use only first form of the verb in its plural form with I, we, you, they. Okay, and use S or ES form of the verb in its singular form with he, she, it or any name. अगर आपके पास he, she, it है कोई तो उसमें वर्ब में आप हमेशा एस और ईएस फॉर्म लगा दे, एस और ईएस लगा देंगे. ठीक है, और आई वी यू दे है तो उसके साथ में आप प्लूरल लगाएंगे. लाइक शी गो टू मार्केट. दिस इज रॉन्ग. इट शुड बी शी गोज टू मार्केट. शी इज अ singular, so with singular we will use either s or es. As go takes es, so it should be goes to market. See, these are the points which you have to remember while editing or omitting the passage. Now, see the example of first, the example of omission means something is missing here. यानी कि इसमें आपको कोई चीज मिसिंग थी. Now see, one thing you have to remember while doing the correction, omission is there. 3 columns will be given there 3 blanks will be given before, missing and after. Means आपको इसमें से हर लाइन के सामने ये बिफोर, मिसिंग और आफ्टर, यानी कि जो मिसिंग वर्ड है वो सेंटर में आएगा, उसके पहले क्या वर्ड था वो, और उसके बाद क्या वर्ड है वो आपको लिखना है, और हर लाइन के सामने इसी लाइन का आएगा। ये नहीं कि आप सोचे कि सेकंड लाइन का फर्स्ट में कर दे, नहीं, आपको फर्स्ट लाइन में जो मिसिंग है वो फर्स्ट में ही आएगा। So you will have to write these 3 words. Okay, while finding the missing word, you have to write these 3. Like we cotton fields in our village. So if we read this sentence, we will find something missing. So the missing word is have. We have cotton fields in our village. So the word before have is we. हैव अपन कहाँ लिख रहे हैं, वी के बाद अपन हैव लगा रहे हैं, तो उसके पहले क्या है वी, तो वी यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, जो मिसिंग वर्ड है उसको यहाँ लिखेंगे, और उसके जो मिसिंग वर्ड के बाद का जो वर्ड है दैट इज कॉटन, सो वी विल राइट हियर, सो इट विल बी वी हैव कॉटन। एंड एवरी माई फादर स्पेंड्स, सो एवरी, व्हाट एवरी, एवरी ईयर, तो यहाँ पर मिसिंग क्या है ईयर, तो एवरी क्या हो गया, ईयर के पहले वाला शब्द वो यहाँ एवरी यहाँ लिख लिया, और यहाँ उसके बाद आपने ईयर लगा दिया, ईयर के बाद क्या आया है माई, तो यहाँ पर अपन ने माई लिखा। अब ये नहीं करना कि फर्स्ट लाइन का आपने जो वर्ड है वो सेकेंड लाइन में लिख दिया, या सेकेंड का कहीं थर्ड और फोर्थ में, नहीं, मार्क्स विल बी कट। of money on buying new seeds. What of money? A lot of money. To grow cotton plants. My grandfather. To grow what? Our cotton plants. So my grandfather told me many years ago he could. Told me what? That. Me के बाद क्या आएगा? That. So me आ गया before. That is the missing, and after is many. Collect seeds from his own plants. Collects. Now here the seeds are particular things. So here the is missing. So collect the seeds. Which could be to grow new plants. Be what? Which could be used. तो यहाँ पे क्या मिसिंग हो गया used. तो उसके used के पहले आ गया be, और उसके बाद आ गया to. So these 3 are here. During next year. But today that doesn't work. During particular year we are mentioning here, so during the next year, okay, the is missing here. So this is an example of omission, how you have to find the missing word, okay, and for finding the missing word you have to look only one line, and उसी line के सामने आपको ये तीनों words लिखने हैं, before, missing और after. In this way you have to fill the omission word. Now the editing. Editing means इसमें हर लाइन में जहां कहीं भी कोई भी गलती है उसको आपको फाइंड करके, यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट वर्ड है उसके नीचे वो गलत वर्ड लिखना है, और उसकी जगह क्या होना चाहिए द करेक्ट वर्ड वो आपको यहाँ पर लिखना है। तो मिशन वाले में आपको 3 वर्ड्स लिखने हैं एक लाइन में, और एडिटिंग वाले में आपको 2 यानी कि इनकरेक्ट एंड करेक्ट। ओके, The Egyptians were the first for make paper. अब इस लाइन को अगर आप पढ़ोगे तो आपको थोड़ा सा कुछ अजीब सा लगेगा। फर्स्ट फॉर मेकर, फॉर क्या होता है, गलत है ना, तो वी विल राइट दिस फॉर, यानी कि दिस फॉर इज इनकरेक्ट, फॉर को आपने क्या किया इनकरेक्ट के नीचे लिख दिया, सो व्हाट शुड कम इन प्लेस ऑफ फॉर, टू, तो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी द इजिप्शियंस वर द फर्स्ट टू मेक पेपर। From a plant calling papyrus. It grew in the calling paper. Plant calling papyrus. Calling क्या होता है? Nothing. तो plant क्या होता है? Called. Called papyrus means उसका नाम क्या था? Papyrus. तो calling is wrong, incorrect word. So it should be called. Delta of River Nile in Africa for the long time. The is wrong. It should be A, for a long time. Papyrus continues to be used as writing material. Continues. कंटिन्यूज नहीं, कंटिन्यूड, इट शुड बी कंटिन्यूड. तो यहाँ पर अपन ने कंटिन्यूज is the wrong word. In place of that, it should be continued. Then the Chinese further perfected an art for making paper. See, an art for making paper नहीं, यहाँ पर अब particular अपन papers के बारे में बता रहे हैं, तो in place of an it should be the demand for paper increase. See, this for should come here, so it is here by mistake, it has come down, no problem. The demand of paper, in place of for it should be of, increased while books begin to be printed. While books nahi, when books begin to be printed. Okay, so this is how you have to edit the passage or the paragraph given. Okay, so remember all those rules which are given here, follow them and do it nicely. Thank you.